Hey everybody, how you doing? Long time no talk. Just wanted to say hello and give you some updates. It's Carlo from HS Help. It's now HS Sucks. Had to make some changes. But anyways, what I'm here to tell you about is the main thing is I now have a Patreon page. It's kind of like YouTube, except I could put anything. I could show you my full body, HS, nude, all that stuff, for people that want to learn about this disease or whatever your reasons for looking. The reason I had to do it is YouTube banned me, demonetized my channel, and said I'm doing this for sexual gratification. Maybe if they watched the videos, they would understand they're nuts, but they don't care about sick people. Whatever. My videos started making money and they cut you off. That's what they do. And this is my living. This is all I get. So please come to Patreon. It's just patreon.com HS Sucks. Patreon.com/HS Sucks or at HS Sucks on Patreon. $5 a month and you're getting everything. You could talk to me through there personally, get personal pictures, videos, just everything. I'm new to it, so I'm learning it as well. But go over there, check it out, and yeah, I can give you personalized videos talking to you about the disease, help you diagnose, all kinds of stuff. Like I said, I get contacted from people around the world that don't know they have the disease, just everything. So this way we can do it on a private forum where nobody's going to fuck with us. Nobody's going to watch over and say it's for a stupid reason. I'm so done with YouTube and control. All they want to do is control. They just cut my money off. That's it. One day my money just stopped coming in and I get, some decent money from these videos. And it's putting myself out there naked for the world, and it's hard to do, especially when they just cut you off. So thank you guys for all the years. By the way, there's one thing I want to get into about HS, which is it's not food related, and we're going to get into that very hardcore in Patreon, and I'll tell you why. So go to Patreon. Let's do this. All right, thanks. Talk to you later.